Good day, everyone. Today we are going to talk about unity. Today we are doing Lion and the Bulls. There was a farm on which 4 bulls lived. Bulls with big horns, very strong bulls. And the farm was very close to a forest. And there was a lion in the forest. There was a big, strong lion in the forest. And the lion was not able to find food inside the forest. The lion was not able to find food inside the forest, so once in a while he used to come near the farm and pick up some animal and take it away. So this time, the lion really wanted to eat a bull. A bull is very big, right? A bull is very big, and if the lion can kill a bull, it can eat for many days. So he thought, it will be amazing if I could kill a bull. So the lion wanted to eat a bull, but there was a small problem. The problem was that all of the 4 bulls were very close. They were very good friends. They were very close friends. They ate together, they went on walks together, they chatted with each other, they had a good time. All 4 of them were good friends. So the lion could not do anything. The lion was strong enough to kill 1 bull, but if it went against 4 bulls, the bulls would defeat the lion because the bulls are very strong. So the lion did not know what to do. One day he found 2 of the bulls arguing. They said, "No, you said that you told some bad things about me to someone else. I heard that. Don't talk to me." But then the other bull was saying, sorry, I did not mean to do that. Let's not fight about it and all of that. So then the lion got an idea. Wait, if they are fighting, what if I make the fight a little bit bigger? So the lion calmly went to one of the bulls and then he said, "Hey, that bull is saying sorry, but he doesn't actually mean it. He actually is very mean to you. He's saying bad things about you. I heard it." And then he went to another bull and said, "That bull is saying bad things about you." He went to the other 2 bulls and said, "Those other 2 bulls are saying bad things about you." And this created a fight amongst the bulls. The bulls started fighting. They started saying, "No, you're not honest. You don't tell the truth. You always say bad things about me to others. You're not a true friend." This started happening, and the bull slowly said, "Okay, I don't want to be with you guys anymore. I'm going to go live close to a different farm. I'm not going to stay here." And those bulls escaped from that farm. They went to a different place. And then one day after another, the lion came and killed 1 bull after another. Because now the bulls were weak. They could not defend each other. Then the bulls regretted ever having parted ways and having believed someone who was not their friend. So this is a story about friendship. It's a story about honesty, and most of all, it is a story about discretion. So discretion is our ability to see what is right from what is wrong. So it is important to have that quality. Just because the lion came and told something about their friend, the bull need not have believed. The bull could have gone to his friend and said, "Hey, did you say that about me?" So because the bulls blindly believed the lion and lost their unity, they lost their strength. Our friends, our family are what gives us that strength. If we stay together, we'll be able to fight together. We'll be able to survive together. We'll be able to win together. So even if there is a quarrel, it is important that we resolve it amongst the friend circle. We resolve it amongst the family. Because together we are strong and apart we are weak. I'll see you tomorrow.